Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday if you guys are new. Hi, my name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes. If you guys just so happen to click on this video because the thumbnail looked cute, thank you so much for your support. I hope you subscribe and join our lash baby, our lash queen team. We're all queens here, okay? So today's video is going to be mainly concentrated on the eyes. I really wanted to do a summer look that was semi-affordable-ish, and I also wanted to show you guys how I rock this super like lazy crazy bun. This is third day hair, so it's definitely time to be washed. So I figured, you know what, before I wash my hair, I'm going to show you guys a cute tutorial and we're going to have fun together. So if you guys want to learn how to get this hair bun with these cute curls and this bomb ass look, then go ahead and keep on watching. We're going to jump right into the eyes. We're going to take our Morphe X James Charles palette. I actually really like this palette. Really. First, we're going to go in with these two shades. We're going to mix them together. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw that into the crease. Now I'm going to pick up this shade, which is this bright neon orange. And we're just going to throw that right here. So we're going to be blending those two colors together. Yes, ma'am. Cool, colors are nice and blended. As you can see, we have a nice gradient blend from the orange to the light yellow, or the light or dark orange to the light orange. Duh. Now we're going to pick up the yellow shade, which is this one right here. And again, this one is a really pretty color, very pigmented. It's nice for blending, but when it comes to actually packing it on, I am not a fan of the formula, but I can work with it. So really, that's okay with me. This one's going to go at the very top of the blend. So right where you finished off that yellow. Oh my God, I keep calling it yellow. That orange. You're going to bring that yellow on the very top, which is going to create this really pretty like sunset beach type of look. And I'm actually going to blow this out. I was thinking of doing a wing liner, but I really want the eyes to pop, and I feel like wing liner tends to take away a little bit of the attention from that. So if you guys can't tell, that yellow kind of overpowered that neon orange. So again, this is when it is critical for you to go back and reapply color. So I'm just going to go back with that orange, and I'm going to blend that into the crease, like the upper crease. We are once again digging into the palettes, and I'm actually going to take a mix of these two colors together, and we're going to add that into the lowest part of your crease, and that's just going to go right in here. Just make sure you're not covering up the red, but you can always go back a few times and like reinforce the color. So what I like to do at this point, because I don't, again, want to mess up the look, I want to stay as precise as I possibly can. I go in between these two brushes. These are perfect for detailing, the Morphe M507, which is this one, or the Luxie 237 blending. As you can see, they're very small, so they're going to give you detailed work on the place that you apply it. am pretty happy with the blend. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and cut my crease. And listen, I know that I do cut creases a lot, but they're just my favorite, and I feel like they're very easy to follow. I like how they look on me, and I'm not a big fan of like full-on cut creases anymore. I do like to do like a blown out smoky eye every now and then, but for YouTube, like, I just like to do this. Once the cut crease is done, I'm going to go back and I'm going to follow pretty much the same steps. So I'm going to take that neon yellow. I'm just going to start at an angle. So I'm going to take the yellow. When using a wet base, just as a heads up, I feel like it's always better when you pack on the color instead of going in and blending. And then I'm going to go back with that neon orange. And I'm just going to meet those two colors together. And you want to add your darkest color. For the rest of the lid, I am taking this shade right here. You can also use the white one, but I'm going to use this cream color because I feel like it'll just kind of tone down the rest. And since it is a warm tone shade, I feel like it just goes better with the look. Now I do want to add a little extra oomph, a little pizzazz. So I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Starlit Diamond Powder in the shade 111. It won't be much of a difference, honestly. It's like a very, very light glitter, but that's what I love because it just gives that little extra sparkle to the eyes. I'm only going to apply it to the inner corner part where we applied that cream color. Do you see how that added that extra little oomph? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm also going to finish the bottom eyes. You can either do a nude color on the waterline or you can do a brown. I'm going to do a nude because I'm not trying to look too like fallish. You literally want to follow the same steps. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera and I'll be right back. I'm going to add some highlighter onto my cheekbones. I did do the majority of my face off camera, really more to save time because I really wanted to focus on the eyes and as well as the hair, since you guys always request for me to show you how I do my like lazy buns when I have my hair curly. So I am taking the Makeup Obsession Mega Honey Highlighter. This has literally been my obsession. I love this. It has such a beautiful formula. It's blinding, but it like becomes one with the skin. I love it. That was my dog. So I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to take this shade, which is, I think you can use it as a highlighter. Actually, I'm going to try that because I've never used it as a highlighter. Have you guys seen Murder Mystery on Netflix? It is a new Netflix movie with Jennifer Aniston and Adam Sandler. I'm actually watching it right now. I have like half an hour left and oh my god, it is so good. If you guys like, I wouldn't, well, I mean, it is crime, obviously. It says the name. You guys know that I have a huge passion for like true crime. I really, really like more like the psychology behind it. So this is a good movie. It has a little bit of humor. Hello, it's Adam Sandler's. It has to be funny. I'm going to quickly just melt everything together. I'm going to take this Bella Jade Botanicals Makeup Setting Spray. This contains MSM plus organic tea extracts. I got a little PR package from them and oh my god, I don't know what magic is in this setting spray, but my skin looks so healthy and so glowy, like radiance, not too like dewy. Oh, I just love this. Before I do the lips, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do my hair. Okay, so hair is down now. My hair is naturally like super duper curly. This is about third day hair, and at this point it's looking a little rough. It's getting a little bit oily. So because I don't want to keep like putting chemicals or mousse on my hair, what I like to do is I'm going to first start off by parting my hair in the middle. Part it wherever you like. But I personally like to pull out some hairs at the very front. So I'm just going to pull out about that much. And make sure to try and get them as even as possible. Just like that. And then it's so simple, you guys. Like seriously, you're going to be like, oh my god. And I'm just going to pull the rest of my hair up in a pony. Now, how big you want it, or I mean, how high you want it, is really up to you. So I am going to probably, then I'm going to go ahead and take my hair tie. And this will also work if you maybe curled your hair like 3 days ago and now you are wanting to change it up. Two, and then I'm going to do one more knot. And once I do the third knot, I just pull it. And so as you can tell, like I have a lot of hair because I have very thick, very curly hair. So it looks funny. So now all I do is I bring whatever's left on my ponytail and I'll kind of like wrap it around the hair or the ponytail itself. And I just kind of mess with my bun, really. Like there's no specific way, like hairs that go a certain way. I just play with it until I'm pretty much satisfied with the way that the bun is looking. So I've pinned some hairs down and I kind of got it how I want it now. Now these back hairs, I personally don't like to leave them out. I don't know, I like the front to be pretty messy, but the back I like it to be semi-neat. So I just take some little bobby pins and I just pin these. Like I literally just like roll them, tuck them in, and then I'll just shove a bobby pin in there. And it's really hard for you to see bobby pins in my hair because I have so much and it's so curly. Anyway, so now that we have that, make sure that you leave out as much hair as you personally like, you know, to frame your face. I'm going to take my little curling wand. This is the Numi 3-in-1. And honestly, whatever you have works just fine. And I'm just going to curl these going this way. And I don't even leave them on for too long because I don't want them to be like super curled. I just want them to have a little extra oomph. And then I'll just tug at them because again, I don't like super curly. See, that's cute. I like it to be wavy, not like super curly, if that makes sense. And then again, I like the ends to be pretty straight, hence why I don't curl them. And then I'll just run like my fingers through them, separate them a little bit, fix them up. And then because these curls are kind of like meh, I'm also going to give them a little lovin'. Just going to curl it a little. And boom, there you go. I personally like to take a little bit of black eyeshadow. And I just kind of like fill in my hairline. Again, because since I have super thin hair in this area, it makes me look bald and I hate it. Also, if you have like thinning hairline, you can just add eyeshadow and it'll fill it in without looking like a true dramatic. you know your chongo is big when it doesn't fit on your screen. I'm gonna try to scoot a little bit more down. Anyway, so let's finish off the lips. That is the hairstyle, you guys. Super simple, super quick, super easy, and it is such a cute look. Like, I love to rock this only when I'm wearing my hair naturally like curly, because when it's straight it just like flops over. But you guys seem to love it when I do this hairstyle, so here it is. For my lips, I'm going to take this NYX lip liner. I really want to be a little bit like warm tone on the lips. So I'm going to take this lip liner in the shade Earth Tone or Downtown Beauty. And then I'm going to take this Karity Pretty Fly liquid lipstick. Just like that. And then to make everything pop, I'm going to add gloss, of course. This is the Honey Home Lip Gloss by Dose of Colors. I'm just going to apply this to the center. All right, my queens, that is it. This is my summer beach, summer sunset makeup tutorial. I absolutely love this look. I love the way it looks. I feel so tropical with like the big chonko, the hoop earrings, like the layered necklace. I'm just feeling all sorts of saucy today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the hair tutorial and I taught you something new, even though it's not really new. I still hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Mwah. Bye.